Hey guys, it's Charlie again with Dirty Girls Cleaning Colton. Today I am doing some pressure washing, and I've been doing it for quite a while since I do clean everything but dead bodies. This is part of my service. But in doing it, I've found a couple of tips that make it much easier. So the first one would be WD-40 your hose connectors before you put them on anything, whether it's the spigot or your pressure washer, or putting two of them together. I've had a problem not being able to get them apart. So that's tip number one. Tip number two, make sure you use the right colored tip. Each one has a different size hole. The smaller the hole, the more pressure you have. You don't want to blow out your windows. Tip number three, make sure it's on. And if it's cold, bump it 2 or 3 times and then leave it out. Tip number four, if you have a lot of pressure washing to do, it kind of hurts after a while holding this down, so you can use a zip tie to hold it. However, if you need to turn it off and then turn it back on, make sure you're holding your wand. Otherwise, it's going to start flailing and you're going to damage something. Tip number 5. When you turn it off, you got to start it again. It's already heated up and all that. You don't have to choke it. You don't have to pull the choke out. You just leave it in. Turn it on, and you should be good to go.